What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to unbox and put to the test trailer hitch stand for your hammock. This thing is going viral, so let's see if it's actually awesome. Most important thing for me right now is how hard it is to set it up. By the way, this thing is heavy. There you go, there's a little instruction, nothing much there. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna take each piece apart and set them down so that way I see what I'm working with. Very hefty, big pipes right here. So we got here only 3 pieces, looks like very simple to put it together. Now let's open the seats, see what they do. Oh cool, this is just 2 packs of them. Cool, this is just little chairs. Easy. One and two. Okay, let's say you pull up to the side of a mountain, then you pull out all this stuff out of your car and set it up into your hitch. Wow, fits perfectly, looks like. And it looks like there's adjustable 2 holes, which is nice. Comes with a little clamp, which is amazing because they always get lost. We'll just put it through like this and boom, easy. Next step is the arms. Looks like one is gonna go this way, boom, and the second one is gonna go this way. Looks like not too bad of a setup, like 15-minute setup, maybe even less. And then comes with all the bolts that you need. So just put a bolt through right here and on the other side. Boom, that's like this. You see it went all the way through. You just wiggle it around till it goes all the way through. It's pretty tight fit, just like that. And then on this side you just put through one of this and one of this. Same thing on all 4 of them. And then we just need to tie them up. You know what, if you would bring a drill and a right socket, probably would be a lot faster to do it. With this little thing, it's kinda annoying. You gotta be exact. Okay, next we just need to hang the chairs. How do they open? There you go, there's a Velcro. Hopefully it's easy to set this up. Oh no, this thing is in pieces as well. I guess once you set it up, it'll be a lot easier. Installation of the chair is pretty easy, but I was expecting for it to be already set up, so just a little bit of annoying. But again, once I set it up, I don't have to do it again. You kind of have to adjust all those nuts so that way it can fit, otherwise it won't fit. Once again, you want to make sure it goes all the way in. And it's funny, commercials always make it look so much easier. Honestly, they don't even show you how you're supposed to set it up. They just show, oh look, it's all already set up. You take it out of the car and put it all together. But I guess the first time, this kind of a pain to make sure everything's set up together. I wonder if these seats are going to be comfortable. We'll find out in a little bit. I also want to make sure I set it up the right way so that way I don't fall. And I think this is for the legs. It's gonna go from the middle right here, and the legs gonna go right here. This stick right here, I don't like it because I can already tell when it's gonna be packed away, they will fall out. I don't think they will fall out when you sit on it, but you can tell if it's packed away, they're just gonna fall out and you'll have to mess with them again. I wish it was just a hammock thing, not these chairs, but oh well, it is what it is. And it looks like for my legs it might be not even far enough, so I might have to readjust it. Or I gotta readjust one of those things. What are these? Is this inside out or something? No, looks good. You know what, guys? I'm not very confident about this thing, but hopefully it will hold on. I'm 220 pounds, actually 225 right now, and I'm kind of scared. The rope obviously is stretching. You see how I'm like really low to the floor, so that way it doesn't crush on me. And there's legs. Okay. Oh wow, this is actually pretty good. I like it. The leg's kind of uncomfortable. Maybe I should set it higher. But yeah, check this out. So you pull up to a mountain and that way you can just hang out, eat a breakfast or something. It kind of spins me sideways. I wonder if it's fixable. Yeah, if I probably put the hook the other way, it's probably going to spin me the other way. Hey, I want to face this way, not that way. So that's another minus. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's a little hammock thing for your car attachment. I like it. As you can see, I'm really tall. I'm 6'7", and it's actually pretty comfortable. Not so much for the head, but I guess you're not supposed to sleep in it or something. But again, I am extremely taller than average person, and I can lay in it really good. So if you're a lot shorter than I am, you probably will be even more comfortable than I am. So guys, you know what? I really like it. It's comfortable. The only problem is, why is this $200? This thing should be a lot cheaper. Especially how much I had to set it up myself. It was really annoying. And I'm not looking forward to breaking this thing down. But yeah, really easy to get up. Boom. Nice. I could probably make it a little bit taller by just untwisting it and tying it up a lot higher, so that way we have no problem. By the way, in the description it teaches you the knot you're supposed to use, so that way it doesn't untie on you. Okay, let's see if it's going to be a little bit higher. Also, I put the hook the other way around. Yeah, it's a lot higher. I would get into it pretty slowly. And this thing looks really durable. Wow, it's pretty comfortable. I like it actually a lot. That way I can just sit like this, hang out, pull up to the mountain. You know, I live in the mountains, Appalachians. We have so many overlooks, even by the waterfall. So I can just drive up to the waterfall or on top of the mountain, set up like this, have some breakfast, and I don't even have to have trees to set up my hammock. I can just hang out on the hammock right off my car. It is a great idea. The only minus and my biggest complaint about this thing is setting up is pretty annoying. The first initial setup anyways. After that, I guess to break it down, all I have to do is just take it off, throw it in the car, and just maybe unscrew this 4 bolts and put it in the car so that way it fits. But yeah, again, it's probably best for the truck. If you have a hitch like that, then boom, you're ready to go. I like it. Do I look comfortable? Let me know in comments below. I do like this thing a lot actually. But yeah, all I have to do is set up the second chair, throw it in the trunk, drive to the mountain with Katherine, and that way we can have a picnic right off of the overlook, and that way we don't even need little chairs. This thing honestly suspended way more comfortable because you can kind of just hanging inside of the nest. Look at that, it's like a swing, and it's very portable. Just hook it up to your car, you can bring it anywhere. So for that reason, huge thumbs up, because it's so comfortable. You can read a book, have a picnic on these amazing overlooks. Okay guys, there is another angle of this thing. And this is how you would break it down. Take this apart. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on you too much. Boom. And just roll it up, I guess. Oh, not bad. Cool. And put it in the car or whatever. Took off the chair, plug these pins back in so that way we don't lose them. Oh wow, that's actually a lot heavier than I thought. And boom, and take it off. Look at this face. He looks so pitiful. You look so funny, Gus. Look, you're getting excited. By the way, guys, you should subscribe to my pet channel. Links in description.